We've decided to use Shadow as our model. Is that okay, Shadow? You'll either be drawing on a paper or on a computer, but you should follow the same tips by using pencil and pen if you're doing it on a paper. What I've drawn was on the computer. You'll also need to get Adobe Illustrator Draw or any other drawing program. Or you can just use a light pencil and a dark pen. Start by learning how to draw realistic dogs. This will help you while you're learning my style. Okay, so have you drawn a few realistic dogs? Now it's time to get started. You draw a circle for the head, the mouth, and the ears. And then you do 2 circles for the body. The one in the back has to be a bit bigger, with some lines connecting it. And then you add lines to connect the head to the rest of the dog. Now, for legs. You have to draw a circle up there, going down there, and a little circle for the ankle above the paw. You do the same for the back leg. You can make them many different lengths. Very short for a corgi, a bit longer for my length, and then this for a German Shepherd dog. And that's the tail. It can be shorter or longer or curlier or anything. And you draw lines connecting the back, and that is how you draw the shapes of a dog. This step is only optional. You make marks for the fur all around his body. Some dogs, foxes, wolves, could have more fur, but some, like beagles, Dalmatians, or even a hairless dog, could have less. She has the fur in the middle of all these, so that's why I thought it would be good to learn how to draw a German Shepherd. You should also draw the shapes for the eyes and paws. I think that paws, tails, eyes, and nose are the hardest, but it's also getting the fur correct. And now, make sure it is more opaque and transparent than it used to be, so that you can see your lines over it when you draw. You will also draw with a smaller pen if you want, but the effect, if you do, will be even better than this. Drawing the German Shepherd. Try to get the paws good and some fur on the tummy, chest, back, tail, and head. You can move your design around a bit from your sketches before, but you should try to keep it simple. Now see the transition from your sketches. The last step is coloring. So this will be how you draw a German Shepherd dog. That there was basically what a time lapse might look like, but we didn't do the line art in that one. You can also overlap two drawings on separate layers to keep a design with colors or something like that. Then you can copy that one layer and move it to another drawing. Complex drawings. Depending on what the drawing is, you might want to use an image to help you get started on drawing your animal. It could be similar and you could draw over it, or you could use it as a pattern just to get the right body shapes or the right fur. Then, same for the other drawings. You have to use a lighter color and draw some shapes in which it will start off your drawing. We don't do this step in all our drawings, but this is line art step 1. With a thicker pen for the less detailed parts and a thinner pen for the more detailed parts, you overlap it on another layer from the shape. To continue with line art, you have to make the line art layer a bit opaque, and then you have to make a new layer for fur markings. This is definitely the hardest part, making all of the fur lines. There will be edits later on though. Add the eyes and nose. This may look funny at first. Then you can add your background and another dog or two. Thank you for watching. Watch all our other videos. Bye for now.